Hi everyone, how are you doing? Hi Mukund, hi Tirtha, hello Ram, hi Rishabh. Okay,
Hi everyone.
yeah, so this is orientation session for GATE DA 2025 complete course. So it is as well as for 2026 or 2025. Okay, so today we will discuss many of the things that how to make best use of the course, who will be teaching you, and everything we will be discussing in detail. Yeah, so let's just get started with this orientation session. Now, first of all, welcome everyone. Welcome to Go Classes. Welcome to Gate DA 2025 orientation session. And this session is specifically for enrolled students. So, which means that we will tell you that how to make best use of this course, how to interact with us, how to ask your doubt, and whatever anything we wanted to convey for enrolled students, we will be conveying in this particular session. So, welcome everyone.
So I hope you all are as excited as we are. Okay, so let's start our Gate DA journey, Gate DA 2025 journey. Okay, so let's get started.
Yeah. So we are also very excited, just like you, and we hope that we you people are more excited than us. Okay. So so let's just get started with this particular session. So before we start, let me just tell you that we also have Gate Day YouTube channel. Okay. We have already launched it, and this channel name is Go Classes for Gate DA. So just like Gate CS, we also have Go Classes for Gate DA, right? So just a second, there is a problem with pen.
So this Gate DA channel you can join. Okay, the link will be provided in the description. So you can just check it out. You can subscribe to this Gate DA channel. Remember, all the activities related to Gate DA will happen only on this channel. Okay, so basically we have a separate channel for Gate CS, and there is a separate channel for Gate DA. We will keep them separated. Okay, all the activities related to Gate DA, all the announcements, all the videos, all the live sessions, everything will happen on the Gate DA channel, on the Gate DA YouTube channel. Okay, similarly, Gate CSE YouTube channel is dedicated only for Gate CSE. Okay, so we are not going to mix them, they will be separate. Okay, so all the Gate DA students should subscribe to Gate DA YouTube channel. And if you are combined student, if you are preparing for Gate CSE as well as Gate DA, okay, then you should subscribe to both the channel. Go classes for Gate CSE, go classes for Gate DA. Both the YouTube channel you can find on the YouTube. You can just search it. Okay, you can see this is the username, go classes for Gate DA. Okay.
Yes. So let's just start with the very first question, that who will be teaching you. So you might already be knowing about me and Deepak, because you have enrolled because of us. We believe that. So still, for the sake of completion, let us have the faculty introduction. So this is me, as you can match my face. So this is me. The this picture is 1 year ago, but I hope I still look same. So yeah, I finished my masters from ISC Bangalore. As you can see that MTech from ISC Bangalore. I've completed my masters during 2017 to 2019. So I think it's been almost 5 years since I completed my masters. I've achieved GATE CSE All India rank 33. I have worked at Amazon as an applied scientist. So this applied scientist role, let me just tell you, is one of the, still it is one of the, you can say, one of the dream role for many of the IITians or ISCNs. So about Amazon Applied Scientist, let me just spend 30 seconds or 1 minute here. Is that Amazon goes to almost every top IIT, which means almost every seven old IITs, and obviously ISC. And from that, let me tell you that they hire, I think, very less people. For example, that if you combine all the IITs and ISC, then probably they hire, if I'm statically, if I'm correct, then probably they hire only 20 students out of all IITs and ISC, and including other tier 1 colleges like ISI Kolkata, and these things, right? So you can guess this particular role require too much of machine learning, to I mean knowledge of too much of machine learning, too much of mathematics. So I have worked there. I have closely seen that how things are going on in industry, how and what are the things are required for the interviews, and how to crack interviews. So I hope this experience will definitely help all of you. Right, this experience of being Amazon applied scientist will help all of you in this Gate DA course. So that's why I told you about this particular role. And Deepak sir is also here. Deepak sir is also one of the other co-founder at Go Classes. He has completed his masters from ISC Bangalore, just like me. And Deepak sir has completed his masters during 2018 to 2020, right? And you can see Deepak sir has achieved GATE CSE All India rank 53, 67, 107, 206, 256, and I can say ETC. So which means that Deepak sir is well versed about the GATE examination, having cracked the GATE examination multiple times. Okay, multiple times with the top ranks. You can assume that how much Deepak sir is well versed about the GATE examination, about the GATE pattern, about the kind of questions GATE might ask, and these things, right? So both of our experience of machine learning and multiple times gate rank of my experience and Deepak experience. So both of our experience will definitely help you in gate DA, right? So if you have any question regarding us, which means if you want to ask about me or to Deepak, then you can just let us know now, or maybe later also.
So I hope this experience, okay, will help you, okay, throughout the year, throughout your preparation. We are going to be with you, okay. We are going to have active participation with you, okay. So, so I hope this experience is going to help you a lot, and you top the Gate D exam next year.
Yes. So Vishen is saying would like to know your preparation journey. Yes, we will also like to share our preparation journey, but we will make a different video for that. Today, let's just discuss about the course. But your question is very nice. We will definitely make a different video for that, for our preparation journey. Actually, we have planned it for so long. Hopefully, we will just do it in just 1 or 2 months. Okay, we will have one more video to discuss our preparation journey. Okay, Samir is asking Sachin sir, what was your work as an applied scientist in basic words? Okay, like let me just tell you in one line. So I was working with multiple machine learning models at as an applied scientist. So particularly, I was working with something called a sequential model. Okay, there is something called a sequential model. I was working with that. So let's not go into the detail, otherwise it will take a lot of time. So let me jump to the course. But yeah, all of these questions we will also like to answer. Actually, I also want to share that how does Amazon Applied Scientist work look like, and we will either take another session to share our experiences, or we will make another video. Okay. Now, let's just discuss about the course, that what you will be getting in this course, and what are the course feature, how to join live classes, everything about the course. Okay. So whatever you need during this entire 1 year of the course, you will be, I mean, you will be basically getting to know that, okay, how to join live class. You will be, I mean, whatever this course feature are there, we will be discussing all of them now. Okay. So let's just start with the very first feature, which is live sessions. So in Gate DA, we will be having live sessions for almost all the topics, right? There will be recorded sessions also. So there will be live sessions also. There will be recorded sessions also. So the recorded content will also be provided sometimes. Sometimes live session will be here. Now, if you ask me that what will be the percentage of live and recorded, so either you will be having a live session in a day, or you will be having the recorded content. So you can say that most of the content will be live. So it means that 70% of the content will be live, and 30% of the content we will be providing the recorded session. So for example, recorded portion will be something which overlap with the gate CSE. For example, that if I talk about gate DA syllabus, right? Gate DA syllabus. Now in gate DA, you have linear algebra, you have probability, you have calculus, and these things. Now, half of the linear algebra, right? Half of the linear algebra here is common with gate CSE, and we have already recorded that particular linear algebra. So you can say half of the linear algebra which is common with gate CSE will be provided in the recorded form. For example, let's suppose that you have this much syllabus for gate DA linear algebra, right? So this is gate DA linear algebra. Now, half of this syllabus, okay, or I can say 60% of the syllabus is common with gate CSE. 60% is common with gate CSE, and you can say 40% is new, right? 40% is very new, and which is also very interesting. You can say new and interesting. Okay. So this 40% we will take live, and whatever is already recorded, we will be having many practice questions here, right? The content we will not be teaching, because I mean, we will be not be teaching live. We will be providing in the recorded fashion. Okay, so content we will be providing here in the recorded session. The reason is very obvious, because since this thing is already recorded with the perfection. Okay, this is already recorded with the perfection. If it is not recorded, if some topic is not recorded with the perfection, we will record it again, or we will take the live session. It's not an issue. But whatever is recorded with the perfection, okay, let's suppose out of this, let's suppose most of the content is recorded with perfection, then we will directly upload it, instead of taking the live session. Okay, so we will be directly uploading it, and many practice questions we will be having, right? Practice questions, many practice questions. So I hope that is clear to everyone, because this is one of the basic doubts that everyone is having. That, sir, if you are going to upload linear algebra directly, then the DH actually having more syllabus. I agree. Obviously, gate DH having more syllabus in the linear algebra. We will be taking all of this syllabus new, which is interesting. Also, we will be taking all of this as live, right? So let me know if that is clear to everyone.
See, a student is asking that I hope we will get enough time to go through the recorded lectures. Definitely, you will have
Yes.
enough time this year. Okay, as we will share the schedule with you, the schedule we have created for Gate DA in such a way that you get enough time to prepare. Okay, all the topics, basically, you have enough time to practice also, because this year, Gate DA is new. Okay, so in Gate DA, I can say it is very uncertain what type of questions they can ask. So that is the reason we want to do a lot of practice of variety of questions. Okay, as you already know that, see, in other gate exam like gate computer science or gate civil, so there are 30 or 40 years of questions available. So those exams, they become quite certain. You have idea that okay, this type of questions they ask. But gate da is new, so they can ask any variety of question from any topic which is in the syllabus. So we want to give you enough practice questions, many practice questions. And not only number of practice questions will be more, actually the variations will be there. Okay, so that in the gate exam in the next year, gate d exam, whatever question they ask, whatever variation they ask, that you will be able to handle. So we have created the schedule in such a way that you have enough time to do a lot of practice. Okay, we are going to have a lot of practice after every topic or after every subject. A lot of practice we are going to do. Okay, a student is asking, you have old recorded sessions of engineering mathematics, will those be provided? Okay, see, as Sachin has already told you, the topics which you have already in the recorded format, those we will provide in the recorded format. But 70% of the syllabus will be live again. Okay, we will tell you, like the machine learning, complete machine learning will be again taught live. Okay, that is the most important points. Let me tell you, complete machine learning, that will be taught live again, newly. Similarly, complete artificial intelligence, that also will be taught live. Okay, similarly, the topics which we did not cover in gate computer science, like in the DBMS, there is data warehousing, those will be taught live. So this is what we are telling you, that most of the syllabus, 70% of the syllabus we will teach live. Okay, and the topics which we already have in the recorded format, which are already, we believe that they are already very good, like in the linear algebra, in the probability, in the calculus, some topics which are already we have in the recorded format, which are already very good, those we will provide you in the recorded format. Python will be taught live. Okay, Python, that will be taught live again, we will teach it live. Okay, complete Python. So I hope you are getting the idea, right? Okay, machine learning, complete machine learning, complete artificial intelligence, complete Python. Okay, optimization, these topics we will teach live. Okay, I hope you are getting the idea. If there is any topic which we think that okay, we should teach you again, like yes, warehousing, of course, that also will be taught live. Okay, so yes.
Yes, database warehousing will be also live. So basically, all the topics which are important, for example, machine learning, AI, database warehousing, some portion of the linear algebra, for example, 40% portion of the linear algebra, the probability, in the probability they have hypothesis testing and these things, right? All the portion, all the portion which is not in the gate CSE will be taught live. And if something is common with the gate CSE, and also see, there are two conditions. If something is common and also we have already recorded with the perfection, then only we will upload. If we think that okay, this particular, let's suppose even if the lecture is of 15 minutes, this particular lecture is in gate CSE, but we want to restructure it, then we will be canceling direct upload, we will be re-recording, or we will be taking it live. Okay, so anything which requires a modification, we will be taking it live, don't worry about it. But anything which is already with the perfection, then it is better to upload it directly, right? And obviously you will be getting enough time to watch those lectures, enough time to practice. Don't worry, let's just see the schedule, because after watching the schedule you will be very much happy, because you will see that okay, how much importance we have given to the mathematics, how much importance we have given to the machine learning and any other important subject. Okay, after seeing the schedule you will be very confident that okay, how we are going to run the classes in this gate DA. Okay, so let's just see that what you will be getting per day. So basically per day you will be getting daily live session or the recorded content. If the live session is there, then you will be getting the recording of the live session. If you miss it, so it's fine. If live session is there, if the recorded content is there, then the recorded content will be of 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so you can say that on Monday to Tuesday, I mean on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday is a weekly quiz. So Wednesday we will be not having any live class. So on Monday, Tuesday, and apart from Wednesday, on any other day, we will be uploading either recorded session or the live class. Okay, so there will be the live class. Mostly there will be live class, but for some days there will be the recorded sessions. Okay. So what you will be getting per day? You will be getting daily live class or 2 3 hours of recording. And if we are uploading the recording, then we will make sure that each video is of 30 to 40 minutes at maximum. So that it doesn't get bored, right? While you are watching the lecture, it doesn't get bored of watching the 3 hours of lecture, or 3 hours of recording at a once. So that's why we will be uploading recordings in 30 to 40 minutes at most. And there will be homework problem for each small topic. For example, in linear algebra, right? If I talk about linear algebra, there are topics like linearly independent vectors. Okay, linearly independent vectors, linearly dependent vectors. So this is one small topic, I can say. This small topic will be containing one homework problem. Okay, for every small topic you will be having homework problems. So for example, this is a small topic. For example, if I talk about probability, right? If I talk about probability, let's talk about there is something called Bayes theorem in the probability. So Bayes theorem is one topic there. So Bayes theorem is, let's suppose, 1 hour topic, but it doesn't matter. Even if it is 1 hour topic, you will be getting homework problem for every small topic. Okay, and why we are doing so? Because if you solve the homework problem for every small topic, you will be confident in that topic, that okay, now I have solved the homework problem, I have seen the video solution, or I have attended the live session of the homework problem solutions. So these homework problem will also be with the video solutions. So you can say those homework problem that we will be uploading, right? Homework problem. These homework problem will also be having the video solutions. So there will be live discussion of these homework problems. So if you solve homework problem for each small topic, for each small topic, then you will be very very confident in that topic, right? Because ultimately you want to crack gate, and to crack gate, you should be having good grasp on each and every small topic. And this homework problem that we are talking about, this will be basically compiled from standard resources only. Standard resources only. So here, anyone who has already watched some of our lectures, maybe linear algebra, probability, database, or anything which is common to get CSE. Anyone has watched? Okay, okay. So many people have watched. That's really great to see that many people have watched. So now you already know, right? Now Imad has watched. He is saying that he has watched linear algebra and calculus. So now you already know the quality of the content. So I mean, you must be very confident about the quality of the content. So that's why, like, we are telling you that homework problem or anything will be directly compiled from standard resources only. Okay. Yeah. Now, the first topic that we will be teaching you in this particular, duration of the course will be the fundamental of computer science. So basically, there are people who directly join Go classes without, they might not have done their 11th or 12th nicely, which means they might not know some fundamentals. So when we are saying fundamentals, then it comes up with the following. See here, log, summation, right? Summation symbol. So you might be knowing the summation, that this looks like a summation. This is the product, right? This is the product. So summation, product, these things, log, sequence and series, right? Sequence and series, which is AP and GP, AP, GP. So many of the people directly, you can say they do some diploma, or they directly join the join some course without doing their 11th or 12th. So if you are from the diploma background, or if you have not done your 11th or 12th nicely, then don't worry about it. You can directly follow the course without any requirement of the fundamental knowledge. Why? Because we will teach you everything. Okay, we will teach you everything from the basics. So
See,
the very first.
just in case if you have forgotten some of these concepts, or maybe just in case if you are not confident in some of these topics, basically these are the school level topics. Okay, in our school life we study logarithm, okay, sequence and series, summation, all these concepts basically, which we will use throughout the course. Okay, in the gate DA course, in other subject like in linear algebra, probability, machine learning. Okay, in all the other subjects, in the, I can say, main course of the gate DA, we will use these concepts. Okay, frequently, again and again we are going to use these concepts. So that is the reason we start with these concepts. Okay, so that you do not have any prerequisite, right? Okay, you don't need to have any prerequisite knowledge to study gate DA course from Go classes. Okay, in Go classes we teach everything from the scratch, from the basics. We know, okay, that these are the concepts that you should study first, so that these will help you throughout the course. Okay.
Right. So for example, you will be seeing these kind of lectures, that okay, the first lecture is summation, the second lecture is sequence and series, and so on. Okay, you will be seeing these kind of lectures like geometric progression, modular arithmetic. There are few fundamental lectures that we will be having, so that your fundamentals get very strong. In case if you have forgotten, then it is nice to see those lectures, right? Okay. So as I told you, there will be homework problem for each small topic. And now let's just come to the one of the center attraction, which is weekly quiz. So this weekly quiz is very popular at Go classes. Anyone who has already watched our previous year, who is already enrolled in our previous year computer science or gate DA course, anyone here? So anyone who has attempted the weekly quizzes, see, the weekly quizzes are just like a festival at Go classes. Okay, you can say it is just like a festival, weekly festival. So, which means that we will be having a quiz per week, which will be containing the syllabus from the last week. So, for example, let's suppose there is a quiz. Okay, there is a weekly quiz. For example, I'm telling you, there is a weekly quiz at 7th. Okay, at let's suppose 7th of maybe let's suppose you can say April or March or whatever, right? So let's suppose there is a weekly quiz of 7th of March, for example. Then this weekly quiz will be containing the syllabus of the weekly quiz. Syllabus will be whatever we teach during 1st to 6th of March. Okay, typically the syllabus will be from the last week. So which means that you can give you yourself a milestone, that okay, the weekly quiz is about to come, so that I mean, you can give yourself a milestone, that okay, you want to score good in this weekly quiz, so that you can study, right? So this is there to maintain your consistency. This is especially there to maintain your consistency. See, this is not a 1 month game, or this is not a 10 days game. This is a game of 1 year. So obviously the consistency is very much required, right? So which means that you can't just say that okay, I will be just consistent without any extra effort. So you need to be consistent with your effort, and we will also put the effort to make you consistent. So weekly quiz is designed in such a way that you give yourself a milestone that, okay, for example, you might not have studied, for example, for past 1 month. Then there's a weekly quiz is coming. Then you will say that, okay, if I have not studied for past 1 month, let's just target for upcoming weekly quiz, right? Let's just target for this weekly quiz, and I will try to score good in this weekly quiz. So this weekly quiz is there to make you consistent. And if you ask any previous year GATE CSE student, they will tell you, because last year in the GATE CSE we had weekly quizzes, they will tell you that how much they waited for this weekly quiz. It was just like a festival for them. Why? Because this weekly quiz contains top quality standard questions to test your concepts, right? So if you get standard questions, nice, tricky, and conceptual questions, then obviously you will wait for it. So that is the reason that people, last year people celebrated it just like a festival. So I'm telling you that this is just like a festival, because this will boost your confidence that, okay, and it will make you consistent, that, okay, the weekly quiz is coming, then let's just study for this weekly quiz, right? So suppose there are 50 weekly quizzes, right? Suppose there are 50 weekly quizzes. Okay, and let's suppose you prepare for, out of 50, let's suppose you prepare for only 20 weekly quizzes. Then still it is very good, because this 20 weekly quizzes, if you are preparing, then also your gate DA 2025 will be, I mean, this 20 weekly quiz preparation will be very impactful in your gate DA 2025. So that's why just attempt the weekly quiz. Now, about the weekly quiz, also, we would like to mention that there is I mean, whatever marks you are getting, there is a mark, but there will be the more importance that you should be given to the analysis. See, if you're just worrying about the marks, then it will be, a problematic thing, because initially you might not get good marks. And that is not just you. Many of the people who are studying the subject first time, for example, you are studying linear algebra or probability very first time, then you might not get good marks, because see, you should not expect to get good marks in just 7 days. May not be, because after the September or October, you will be start getting very very good marks, but in initial days you might not be getting good marks. So that is why, do not worry about the marks in the initial days. And obviously, if you have, anything to discuss about the marks or something, then you can always message me or Deepak. So we will be also having the mentorship sessions, to tell you that, okay, don't worry about the marks, and we will be also sharing the toppers experience, that how they have improved just by doing analysis, because that's what the toppers do. Okay, so that's what the toppers do, that they attempt the quiz, they attempt the test series, or they attempt any quiz test, and then they worry more about the analysis, that, for example, that there are 10 questions. Okay, then which are the questions I was not able to do, and why I was not able to do the question, instead of just, worrying about that, okay, why I got less marks, or maybe, let's suppose, there are multiple people, right? For example, there is Diksha, there is, Imad. So it's not like that Imad is saying that, okay, I want to, I want to score more than Diksha, I want to score more than Sameer. It doesn't work like this. So you just give yourself a target, that, okay, last time, let's suppose, you have gotten 30% of the marks, maybe this time you try little bit more. Okay, and okay, we will be having more sessions. Actually, it might not be true that you will be getting little bit more directly, because over the time you will improve, right? So just worry about the analysis, not about the marks.
See, slowly you will improve. Okay, slowly, gradually you will improve. In one day, you are not going to become a topper, but in 1 year, you can become a topper. Okay, and these weekly quizzes we provide to make you consistent, to keep you consistent. Okay, so basically, there is a line that one step at a time. See, if you just look at the entire mountain, if you look at the entire gate DA preparation, then you will feel scared. You will feel so much syllabus is there. How I will be able to understand this syllabus, how I will be able to crack the gate D exam. So basically you will have this, I can say, fear in your mind. But if you just think, okay, I just have to study for 1 week, then I have to attempt the weekly quiz. So basically in your mind, if you just have the next step, you just have to take the next step. You don't have to climb the mountain, you just have to take the next step. That should be your goal. Okay, one more step, one more step, one more step. Automatically, okay, when the get D exam will come, you will be at the top of the mountain. So that's what we are saying, that this weekly quiz we conduct, remember, and this is a unique feature of Go classes. Let me tell you, nowadays, after seeing the success of weekly quizzes in Go classes, some other institutes, they have also started weekly quizzes, let me tell you. But I can say that weekly quizzes were, I can say, the unique feature of the Go classes from the very first batch. Okay, the very first batch of Go classes, three years ago, we started this weekly quiz culture, and this weekly quiz, this is keeping students consistent. Okay, it is helping you stay consistent, because without consistency you cannot top the gate exam. Okay, and it is not easy to remain consistent, right? Okay, you can just feel I will stay consistent, but that is not very easy, because you are preparing for 1 year. It is very easy to lose the consistency. So we are basically providing you this, I can say, this event, this milestone we are providing you, so that you can stay consistent with the help of weekly quizzes. Okay, so remember, take these weekly quizzes very seriously. These are part of your course. You don't have to purchase them separately. These are free for all the Gate DA students. Okay, but please don't take them for granted. Okay, please follow them consistently. Okay, every week just take one step, one step at a time. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, and after 1 year you will become the topper of Gate DA exam. Okay, also
Right.
one thing I want to tell you, that is, these weekly quizzes you can attempt anytime. Okay, throughout the year you can attempt till the gate exam, anytime you can attempt. But to keep you consistent, we will generate your rank only if you attempt within 2 days. Okay, please notice this. See, we want to force consistency on you. Okay, because this is our effort from our side. This is our effort to keep you consistent. So what we are doing, that when the weekly quiz will be live, let's assume the weekly quiz becomes live on 7th March, then if you attempt this weekly quiz within 2 days, then your rank will be generated. Okay, you can see, you can check your rank among all the students who have attempted the weekly quiz. But after that, you can attempt the weekly quiz, you can see the solution, you can see the explanation, everything you can do, but rank will not be generated. That is the only change. Okay, so remember, once the weekly quiz is live, let's assume on the 7th March weekly quiz 1 becomes live, then after that you can attempt the weekly quiz 1 till the gate exam. You can attempt anytime. You can check the questions, you can check the solutions, video solution, text solution, you can ask your doubts, everything you can do, remember. But the rank will not be generated if you attempt after 2 days. So this we are doing, let me tell you, this we are doing not for ourselves. Okay, we are not getting anything, right? We are doing it for you, so that you stay consistent. This is for your consistency. Okay, so take these weekly quizzes very seriously, because these are basically the milestones. These are basically the, I can say, your atomic unit, atomic step. Okay, just take one step at a time, 1 week at a time. Okay, just study the concepts of that particular week, understand all the concepts, do practice, and attempt the weekly quiz.
Yes.
So
And also, yeah.
yes. So I hope you got the idea of weekly quizzes. Let me know. Are you excited about the weekly quizzes? Because ultimately, this is the idea, and that is the reason weekly quizzes are, Go classes weekly quizzes are so famous, so popular, and students love these weekly quizzes. They wait for weekly quizzes. Sometimes, if we are delayed by weekly quizzes, like let's assume that we should upload the weekly quiz on Wednesday, but let's assume it is delayed. Okay, then students will send us message, sir, please upload the weekly quiz. Sir, please upload the weekly quiz. So you can see weekly quizzes are very celebrated event in Go classes. Okay. So that is all about weekly quizzes. Yes, Sachin.
Right. So yeah, I was saying that like this weekly quiz is only for the enrolled students, which means if someone wants to buy, let's suppose some outsider wants to buy the weekly quizzes only, then that cannot buy weekly quiz. Okay, which means the weekly quizzes is are only, or you can say exclusively, sorry, exclusively for enrolled students only. Okay. So just attempt the weekly quizzes, stay consistent. That is what we would like to say here. And we like you to attempt within 2 or 3 days, so that you will see your rank among all the students. I mean, later on you can also attempt, but you will not be able to see that where do you stand among all the students. So that's why we'll suggest you to attempt the weekly quizzes within the time only. Okay. So this is last year. This is the previous year screenshot. Previous year Gate CSE. These are the Gate CSE because previous year we were not having weekly quizzes for Gate DA. So these are the Gate CSE previous year screenshot. So you can see that, okay, I mean, this is just a small screenshot. So there were many weekly quizzes in the previous year. I think there were more than 35. So there are 35 weekly quizzes or 33. I don't remember. I think 35.
I think
So
35 weekly quizzes were there
yes,
last year for GATE CSE. So
yes. So
similarly in GATE D also we will do this year.
right, right. So as you can see that there were 35 weekly quizzes last year, and each of the weekly quiz was, very exciting for almost all the students. And now, apart from the live lectures, apart from the homework question, we will also provide the quality practice set. Okay, so weekly quiz will be there, the practice set will be there, homework questions will be there. So basically, you will be getting a lot of practice material. So either our class will be containing many of the practice question, or we will be giving homework questions also, so that we can discuss them live, right? Homework questions or the practice. I mean, the practice set we will be giving. So for the practice, I think I have it in the next slide, that for the practice, yeah, for the practice, you will be having many questions in our lectures itself, right? Many questions in our lectures itself. You will be having the homework questions. You will be having a weekly quiz. You will be having the test series. So there are many sources of the practice. So we will make sure you will get more than enough questions to practice to crack Gate DA under 100 rank. So if you just follow all the practice material that we are providing, then definitely, I mean, obviously you need to watch the lectures also. Definitely we will be covering the enough questions to crack Gate DA under 100 rank.
A
Okay.
student is asking, sir, please give a lot of questions because there are no PYQ, previous year questions available for GATE D. Yes, we agree. That is the reason we are telling you that in our
Right.
lectures, there will be a lot of questions. We will do a lot of practice. See, we will share with you the schedule. We will share with you. You will see that we are giving a lot of time for practice. Okay. And this is the only reason. Okay, we want you to do a lot of practice of variety of questions. That is the reason, as we share the schedule, you will feel very happy. The schedule is designed to basically give you enough time to grasp the concept. Okay, you can understand the concepts and you can do a lot of practice. Okay, so you will see the schedule. Don't worry about it. Everything will become very clear. You will feel happy after seeing the schedule.
Right, right. Okay, so there will be summary and revision marathons. So which means that, let's suppose some subject is finished. For example, let's suppose data structures is finished, right? So data structures algorithm is finished. Now, after the subject is finished, maybe immediately or maybe after 1 or 2 months, because it is better to have a revision or summary marathon after 1 or 2 months. So we will be having the periodic summary and revision marathons of the subject, so that you don't forget the subjects, right? And in those marathons also, we will be having another set of practice questions. So there will be many questions that you will be dealing with over the year.
See, we are not going to repeat the same question. Like in the lecture, also we have this the same question. In the marathon, also we are taking the same question. We don't do that. Okay, we take the new questions. Okay, so whether we are taking marathon, revision session, practice session, okay, anything we are doing, basically, we just keep taking new questions because there are a lot of questions available in the standard resources. Throughout the world, in the top universities, in the standard books, there are many quality GATE DA relevant questions which are available. Our task is to basically collect all the gate DA relevant questions from all the standard resources throughout the world. Okay, so we will collect those questions. We will convert those questions into MCQ, MSQ, NAT. We will provide you those questions with solutions. We will write the solutions or we will provide you the video solutions. So basically, this is going to be our task throughout the year. And this is what we do. This is what we have been doing in the last, I can say, for the last 2 3 years. Okay, we have been doing the same thing for GATE CSE. The same thing we will do for GATE DA. Okay, so Go classes, I can say Go classes GATE CSE course that has already become very popular because of these things. Because of following standard resources, providing weekly quizzes, providing quality questions, a lot of variations. Okay, so teaching all the concepts with proper understanding, with proof. So these are some of the, I can say, benchmarks that we have set. Okay, or I can say these are the unique selling point of Go classes, USP of Go classes. And the same thing we are going to continue this year in the GATE DA also. Okay, you will see that Go classes GATE DA course that also will become very popular. Okay, because this year all these things, all these standard experiments we are going to do in the GATE DA course also. Okay, so you just need to follow the course. Okay, just follow the course consistently. I can say from the beginning till the end, just follow the course consistently. Everything we will take care. Okay, you don't have to follow any other resources, because remember, a screenshot of the standard resources, a screenshot of the standard books, top universities, those will be available in your annotated notes. Okay, so basically you will be studying from several standard resources, not only single standard resource. You will be learning from several standard resources. The same concept you will study from many standard resources. Okay, so that will make you feel very satisfied, right? Okay, when you will see that this is the concept that you have studied a particular concept. Let's assume eigenvalues concept you have studied. Okay, and you also have a screenshot of standard resources. Then basically you will understand the concept, you will see those screenshot, you will feel very satisfied that you are learning from many standard resources.
Right. And this is the USP of Go classes, that we always teach from standard resources only. Okay. So we will not teach you anything from any poor resource. So whenever we teach, we also put the screenshot of that, right? So that you are also confident that okay, you are getting to learn from standard resources. And also we many times get the comments that this is their way of telling that they are teaching the things very nicely. Okay, this is Go classes way of telling, because we put the screenshot of the standard resources, so you will also get confident that okay, we are learning from the standard resources only. And there will be mentorship and support, so periodically, right? Which means that in every month or in every 20 days, 25 days, whenever it is required, periodically we will be having a session to ask you whether if you are feeling any you are facing any problem, or there is any support needed, or whatever we like to share. Okay, sometimes we also like to share some strategy. For example, let's suppose it's the month of for example June, and let's suppose two subjects are covered. Then we will share that okay, how to revise these subjects. Let's suppose that we are getting the questions related to test series, that how to attempt the test series. Then we will take a session that okay, how to attempt the test series, how to analyze the test, and these things, right? So we will be having periodically, okay, in every month or in every few days, whenever it is required, we will be having one session where we will be sharing. Okay, sometimes we will be sharing, let's suppose if I'm taking the session, I will be sharing my preparation strategy. If Deepak sir is sharing is taking the session, then Deepak sir will be talking about his preparation strategy. So basically we will be having multiple sessions by me, sometimes by me, sometimes by Deepak, and sometimes combinedly both. So that you are on the right track, that okay, this is how you need to learn. Because apart from the course, apart from the technical content, you should also know that how to use that technical content, right? So that's why we will be having mentorship and support sessions, and not the sessions. If you have any doubt in between, in between, let's suppose two sessions, which means that there is no session planned recently and still you have doubt, okay, and any doubt, then you can definitely ask those doubts either on the private Telegram group, okay, or you can come live and you can ask your doubt with the mic on. You can just turn on your mic and you can ask your doubt. You can ask your doubt. Let's suppose there's a technical doubt, you can ask on the Gate Outflow website. You can personally message us, or you can ask your doubt on the mail. So whatever doubt you have, whether it is a technical doubt, okay, whether it is a technical doubt, or preparation related doubt, whatever kind of doubt you have, you can ask in any of this form. Okay, so we are here to resolve your doubts. Like, we will make sure that all of your doubt get resolved.
See, we have alumni group. Let me tell you, on the Telegram, there is a private alumni group of Go classes. In that alumni group, we have our previous year toppers who are currently studying in IITs, ISC, IIIT Hyderabad, ISI, okay, in all these top colleges. So the benefit of that alumni group is basically, if you need some guidance, okay, you there is no technical doubt. Basically, you need some guidance. You just need some motivation. Okay, you want to ask some curious doubt. Okay, you have some curiosity, sir, how to do this, sir, how to do that. Okay, so basically how to stay motivated. So you have some I can say guidance related doubt, then you can ask in that alumni group also. Our previous year toppers, they are very helpful, they will help you. Okay, many toppers, they keep replying to the messages. Okay, they keep helping the current students. Okay, Similarly, next year you will become the topper and you will become the alumni. Okay, you are taking help of previous alumni. Okay, and then next year you will become topper and you will help the future alumni. So in Go classes there is a community. Basically, it's not only the current students. Okay, we have basically the collection, or I can say community of all our previous toppers. Okay, from the last, I can say, 2 3 years, and all the current students. So there is a very nice community that we have created, and you just take the help of this community. Also, if you want to talk to me, if you want to talk to Sachin sir, you can send us private telegram message. Okay, on the telegram you can send us private message. But I want to tell you one thing: we get many messages in the private. I can say individually in the private, we are getting many messages every day. So it might be possible we try to reply as many as possible, but it might be possible that we reply to your doubt little bit late. Okay, then please don't, I can say, don't hesitate to remind us. Okay, let's assume that your doubt we missed. We reply to many doubts every day. Okay, personal messages we reply every day, we reply to many personal messages. But let's assume your message is missed. Okay, then please remind us, don't hesitate to remind us. Or as I told you, the best way is basically we have monthly guidance sessions. Those are chit chat sessions. Let me tell you, those are very
Right.
I can say informal sessions. In those sessions we just have, I can say, communication. We just have conversation with the students. Okay, some chit chat. I will share some, I can say, some strategy, some, I will share what happened during my preparation, what happened. Sachin will share what happened during his preparation. So basically, these are, like, I can say, chit chat sessions, very light sessions to uh, to make you motivated. Okay, to get you back on the track. Okay, so I hope you have no doubt related to mentorship and support. Once you are Go classes student, you don't have to go anywhere to seek mentorship. Okay, you don't have to, go to the influencers who have basically created a business for mentorship. Okay, you don't have to do that. Okay, because most of these people who start their mentorship, many people are there who start their mentorship course, okay, for gate exam. Actually, they themselves have never cracked the gate exam with top rank. If you check their own rank, that rank itself will be, I can say, not a top rank. Okay, but they are starting their mentorship course. So what I'm telling you, as a Go classes student, you don't have to go anywhere. Okay, you just have to reach out to us. You reach out to Sachin sir, you reach out to me, you reach out to our previous year toppers. They are toppers. They have top 100, top 500 rank, top 1000 rank. They are in Triple IT Hyderabad, IITs, old IITs, new IITs, ISC Bangalore, so many top colleges. They are currently, I can say, studying in the top colleges. So you can approach to them, you can approach to us. So for mentorship, remember, Go classes students, they don't have to go anywhere. They can basically get all the guidance, all the mentorship, all the support they will get in the Go classes.
Right. Okay, so this is something that we have already shared in the launch video, that you will be getting 5 mini and 5 major projects. And let us just tell you that this is just optional thing. If you want to skip all of these projects, okay, if you don't want to do any of this, then also it is fine, because gate DA doesn't require it. Okay, this is just for you to have some better understanding, just to build your resume better. And also, if you want to do these projects after gate DA, this is also fine. So don't worry about these products. This is not required. Okay, this is not required for gate DA. This is not required for gate DA. This is just for the optional thing, in case if someone is interested. Okay, this is just in case if someone is interested, then only you can do it. And also you can do it after gate DA exam, right? So someone is asking, sir, can these projects be used for final year project? Yes, you can. For final year, definitely you can use. So yeah, you don't need to do anything else for the final year. You can even use a mini project. You don't even need the major project for the final year. Why
You
I'm
can
telling?
impress your professors.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. So your professor will get impressed just with the mini projects, hopefully. Okay. Else you can take 1 or 2 mini projects, and you can claim that, okay, you have done multiple multiple projects at your final year. So yes, these projects are definitely helpful in many ways. Okay, in your final year, in understanding, and also in your resume building. But for gate DA, this is not required. For gate DA 2025, this is not required. That's why we are saying this is optional thing. and gate D does not directly require this. Okay, so don't don't worry anything about these mini and major project. I mean, if you don't want to look at them even at once, then look at them. Don't look at them even at once. And if you want, you can just do it after gate D exam. Okay, or if you want, you can definitely do it with us.
See,
I hope
actually,
that is
these
clear.
things, all these projects, all these things, they are not required for the Gate D exam. If your target is to become the Gate D topper, okay, then you can safely skip these things. Okay, you don't have to worry about these things. But if you are a college going student, okay, if you are in the first year, second year, okay, you want to impress your professor, maybe you want to create your project in the college, okay, or so basically maybe you have some lab. Okay, so basically, then in that case, you can take the help of these projects. Okay, but as I told you, if your focus is only on cracking the Gate D exam to become a topper of the Gate D, then these things are not required. Okay, they will not. I can say they are not going to impact your Gate D preparation. Okay, but of course, you can use these things in your BTech life if you are right now in the college. Okay, so these things, or as Sachin told that once the Gate D exam is over, you will get 6 months before you go to your MTech, right? Before you join the IITs, ISC, so you will get 6 months in the from February till August. So there will be 6 months. In those 6 months, you can do these things. You can do these 10 projects. You can do many additional projects also from your knowledge, which you will get throughout this Gate DA course.
Right, right. Okay. So Ritim is saying that can you tell the example what kind of projects they will be like? So the projects will be like mini projects will be like, I mean, implementation of linear regression from scratch, implementation of logistic regression from scratch, implementation of PCA from scratch, like this. Okay. I mean, if there is a very good algorithm, for example, SVM and these things. Okay, SVM obviously, like if there's a complex algorithm, obviously it is not required to implement from scratch. But if there's an algorithm like linear regression, logistic regression, or maybe PC or something like that, then you can implement those algorithms from scratch in the mini project. In the major project, you can use the advanced techniques. So we will have the project, we will have the project list, and don't worry, we will be giving you the code itself. Okay, we will be explaining you the code, we will be giving you the code. You don't have to do anything, you just have to understand. Okay, you just have to understand. Obviously, if you want, you can do by yourself, but we will provide you the solution. Okay, we will provide you the complete code, you can just understand. By understanding that that particular code given to you is also very nice thing to understand, more things in machine learning. So basically, this is again the optional thing, don't worry about these. And what are the list of project, what kind of project we will be having, you will get to know over the duration of the course. And there is one doubt that is keeping very frequent. So it's very good doubt, let me just answer this doubt. So Samir Saurabh is asking that while covering any recorded content, for example, linear algebra, probability, or whatever is common in the gate CSE, right? So while covering any recorded content, if we have any conceptual doubt, then how to ask those kind of doubts? It's very like, I mean, this particular doubt itself is very nice doubt. So let me just tell you, there will be live sessions. Okay, for live sessions for doubt clearance. Okay, so don't worry, if we are providing you something which is recorded, then don't worry about it. We will be having live session for doubt clearance. Also, you can ask your doubt again in the private Telegram group, or there are, I mean, on the GitHub flow, there are many other channels where you can ask your doubt. And also, we will be having the live doubt discussion, right? So don't worry about your doubts, whether it is a doubt in the recorded session, whether it is a doubt in the live session, or anywhere. Okay, your doubt will get resolved. Just ask your doubt in the Telegram group, and it will be resolved by either me or Deepak, or by some other student.
See, the best way is ask your doubt immediately in the Telegram group. For example, let's assume you are studying some topic, okay, in the morning at 9 a.m. and you get a doubt. Then you don't have to wait for the live session, which is in the evening. You don't have to wait whole day. Okay, just quick. Okay, immediately you just ask your doubt in the our Gate DA private Telegram group. Okay, on the Telegram there is a Gate DA private group only for the enrolled student. You ask your doubt there. You can take Sachin sir, you can take me, okay, or the students who are preparing alongside with you, your classmates, they will answer your doubt. Okay, our previous year toppers, they will answer your doubt. So immediately your doubt will get resolved. So that is the best way to I can say resolve doubts. Okay, you don't have to wait whole day for the live session which will be in the evening. You don't have to do that. Okay, so just get your doubt cleared on the Telegram immediately. Okay, within, I can say, within few minutes, your doubt will get resolved.
Right. And also, I would like to add one thing here is that if you, if you're asking some doubt, then it is just a suggestion. It is not a mandatory thing that if you're asking doubts, then it is also better to resolve some doubts. See, don't just be on the one side. I mean, don't just keep on asking the doubts in the group, because people will get to know that you are only here to ask the doubts. Okay. So obviously, I and Deepak will be helping you, but I'm telling you that for other students, if you want to get help from other students, you should also help them. So just spend, okay, not much, just spend 5 or 10 minutes, okay, 5 or 10 minutes in resolving others' doubt. See, if you are resolving other doubt, then you are also strengthening your concept, right? It's not like that you are helping them, it is like that you are helping yourself. Because if you are solving, see, let me just tell you, okay, let me ask you that how many of you have solved, any doubt of your friend in the near past. So maybe you're doing btech, right? So maybe some of you might have solved some doubt of your friend. Do you remember what kind of doubt you have solved? Most probably you might remember, right? So your concept are becoming more clear if you are solving others doubt. So that is why just spend not much, just spend 5 or 10 minutes in the group to solve others' doubt. And whenever you have doubt, then ask in the group. Okay. Help community, and community will be helping you. Obviously, I and Deepak are there to resolve your doubts, but I'm telling you, as a community member, you should also help others. Okay. Now, these are all the features at once, which means we will be providing daily live class, homework problem, weekly quizzes, right? Summary and revision marathons, and all gate CSE relevant questions. Which means, for example, in data structures, in database management, or in linear algebra probability, whichever is gate CSE relevant question, we will be solving that gate CSE relevant question with complete analysis. And not just gate CSE. Let's suppose there is a very good question in let's suppose gate ECE. Okay, gate EC, there is a very good question of probability. Then also we will be solving it. Let's suppose there is a very good question from gate mathematics. Okay, and that question is from linear algebra. Then also we will be solving it. Okay, if there's a gate D relevant question, either from gate math, gate EC, or in any other gate branch, we will be solving those kind of questions. Okay. Right. I hope these things are clear to everyone. Now, let's just go to the most weighted thing, which is what is the subject schedule and what is the sequence. Because this is one query that we have been getting over the Telegram, over the YouTube. So we thought that we will be directly relieving it, revealing it in the orientation session. So let's just let's just reveal it. I think time has come to reveal the subject schedule and the sequence. Let me just tell you one thing before I reveal this, that you will be very happy. Okay, after seeing the schedule, we have designed it so comfortably, which means we are giving your mind enough time to grasp the concept. So you will be very happy by seeing the schedule and the sequence also. So let us just tell you. See here, the first week will be dedicated to fundamental, right? Which means logarithm, sequence, and series, and these kind of things. And we will be starting after the first week. We will be starting with the linear algebra, then probability and calculus. You might have noticed that these subjects we have given one month for linear algebra, 1 month for probability, 1 month for calculus, which means we are giving 3 months. Okay, out of all of these months, we are giving 3 months just for mathematics. 3 months, entirely 3 months for mathematics, which means we are going to solve many questions. We are going to have many practice questions, many weekly quizzes are there. So basically just 3 months entirely for engineering mathematics, which is calculus and optimization. Okay, this is optimization also. So now you can guess that how much rigorously we are going to have this engineering mathematics. And then we will be starting in the June. We will be having the database management and the warehousing. And then a few days, for example, 15 days. Okay, 15 days we will be having for Python. Python is very small, a small topic or a small subject, you can say. So 15 days is good number. In fact, 10 days is good number, but we are giving the 15 days so that you grasp everything very nicely. And after 15 days, in the mid of July, we will be starting machine learning. So you might have noticed that machine learning we have divided into two portions: machine learning supervised and machine learning unsupervised, right? So first we will be having the supervised version of machine learning, that we are spending enough time. So you might notice that 2.5 months, right? 2.5 months, 2.5 months we are spending just for the supervised version, and 1 more month we are spending just for unsupervised version. So we are spending more than 3 months, right? You can say 3.5 months just for machine learning. Okay, just for one subject, we are spending 3.5 months. And then artificial intelligence and data structure algorithm will be in the parallel, because we also need to speed up. So mathematics, machine learning, database, for this we are giving you enough time so that you grasp all of these important concepts very nicely. And artificial intelligence is also very nice subject that we will be having with the light subject, which is data structures and algorithm. So you will be having parallel sessions, which means 2 sessions in a day for artificial intelligence and data structure algorithm, right? And then after this, machine learning unsupervised, and aptitude will be provided as recorded. So all of these subjects will be containing many 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 questions. And this is just November we are saying, but I mean, most probably we will be ending the complete schedule by the 15th of November, because many many days of margin we have taken in at many many places.
See,
Okay.
in this
Yeah.
schedule, you can one thing you can notice, you will get a lot of practice questions. Actually, for example, you can see linear algebra. Okay, March is give linear algebra. For that, we have given 1 month. Okay, so basically, you can see a lot of practice questions we are going to do from linear algebra. From all the gate branches. Okay, there are many different gate branches. They ask questions from linear algebra. Okay, those questions also we are going to solve. If there is a, let's assume, gate physics question on linear algebra, gate electrical question on linear algebra, those also we are going to solve. Okay, so basically, gate da, like you already know that for gate da, mathematics is heavier than gate CSE, right? In gate computer science, the mathematics is not as heavy as gate da. So that is the reason we are going to give you many practice questions, many variations, and we are giving you enough time to understand the concepts and to do a lot of practice. Okay, so a student is asking, for calculus 1 month is given, is that required? So let me tell you that calculus in gate da is actually comparatively more important than gate CSE. Okay, also there is optimization. If you see the calculus syllabus, okay, so there is optimization. Okay, there is calculus topics are there. So these things also we will teach. Okay, we will teach all these things live. Okay.
Right. So actually, in the optimization, like there is a topic you might have heard, gradient descent, right? So gradient descent is all the machine learning topic, but we will teach one or two small topic like gradient descent or some other optimization technique in this course itself. I mean, in optimization. So that's why we have given 1 month so that you can learn all the concept comfortably. So how many of you have heard about gradient descent? I mean, if you have seen the gate DA before, then you might have, or maybe machine learning before, then you might have heard about gradient descent, right? So this is one optimization technique. Do you remember? So anyone might be knowing that, okay, there's optimization, there's a gradient descent, which we will be teaching here in the optimization itself. So there are one or two topics other than what are the mentioned. We will be teaching here so that your basics are clear. So whenever we are starting machine learning, you will be very much comfortable. See, in the very first topic of the machine learning, which is linear regression, you need a gradient descent, right? You need gradient descent. So if the gradient descent is already covered in May, and you are having enough practice of gradient descent or any other optimization technique, then by the time of August or by the time of July, won't you be comfortable in those optimization techniques? Definitely, right? So we will make sure that you are so comfortable with the mathematics such that when you are starting with the machine learning course, then you will be enjoying it. You will be not be having any panic mode. Okay, whenever you are starting machine learning. See, you can definitely do machine learning without mathematics. I mean, without much of the mathematics. But that's not what the gate DA requires. That's what the your semester examination required, right? So maybe your semester examination might require machine learning without mathematics, but not gate DA. For gate DA, whatever mathematics is required, we will give enough time. Okay, we will go give even more than what is required. Okay, if it is required 2.5 months, we will give 3 months so that you are very comfortable with the machine learning.
A student is asking that data structure algorithm, these are separate subject. So they are in parallel with artificial intelligence. So let me tell you, in GATE DA, if you see the data structure and algorithm syllabus, that is actually not as big as the data structure syllabus of, or I can say algorithm syllabus of GATE CSC. See, there are many topics which are in the syllabus of GATE CSC, which are not in the syllabus of GATE DA. Right, Sachin, in the
Yes.
algorithm, in the data structure, many topics, basically there is, I can say, very specific topics are there. in the gate da syllabus, very specific topics. You don't have, I think, Sachin, we don't have dynamic programming, right,
Yes,
in
yeah,
that?
we don't have dynamic programming. Yes.
Yes. So there is no dynamic programming in Gate DA. There is dynamic programming in Gate CSE. Okay. So the Gate DA syllabus that is very specifically given, you can check it out. Okay. That is much smaller than the Gate CSE algorithm and data structure syllabus. So you see, I think that you are, when you see the data structure algorithm in your mind, Gate CSE syllabus is going on, I think. Okay. So it is not
Right.
the case.
Right, right. So actually, this syllabus is very small. Like if you compare the syllabus with the GATE CSE, then you just compare topic wise. Okay. For example, dynamic programming is not there, and dynamic programming, let me just tell you, in GATE CSE, it takes significant time to teach and significant time to study also. Okay. And similarly, there are many other topics which are not there in GATE DA. So that's why I mean, we are saying this is a small syllabus. Okay. This is a very small syllabus compared to GATE CSE. So that's why you can cover this small syllabus in parallel to artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is also mathematically, rigorous, which means there are few topics like Bayesian interface, Bayesian inference, and A star algorithm, and there are topics related to propositional logic. And in this year only, I think there are two or three questions just from the propositional logic, first order logic has come in the examination, right? So that's why this artificial intelligence is also very, very important.
So actually, one more thing, if you see the artificial intelligence syllabus, okay, so if you check the syllabus, there is propositional logic, predicate logic, okay, there is a part, okay, from which two questions came in Gate DA 2024, okay. So let me tell you, those topics we will teach actually in the beginning, okay. Those topics will be taught in the beginning, the propositional logic, first order logic, those topics will be taught in the beginning, okay. So don't worry, like, when we come to this artificial intelligence, at that point of time, the remaining topics we will teach, okay. These topics, propositional logic, first order logic, these two topics from which two questions came in Gate DA 2024, these topics we will teach in the beginning, okay. So don't worry. So that is the reason, see, we have thought a lot, okay, while creating this schedule, we have already given a lot of thought, okay. So it's not, I can say, already you can see just all the things, whatever doubt you ask us, we can tell you why this, why we have done this, why we have done that, okay. So everything is very carefully planned. And one more thing, see, I and Sachin, we had this in our mind that, okay, if we want, remember, if we want, we can complete the Gate DA syllabus by the month of, I think, September. But still we have, you can see, the still we have kept this syllabus, you can see, till the November. The reason is very simple, because we don't want to hurry, you know, just to cover the syllabus by the month of September. What will happen, you will not have enough practice, you will not have enough time to revise. So basically it will, Gate DA, as you already know, Gate DA is mathematics heavy and machine learning. This is the, I can say these are the trending topics, for the next, I think, for the next many years, these are going to provide you a, these are going to provide you a job, okay. So basically that is the reason we want you to understand, okay. Just spend enough time on each topic, okay. So that is important point. Like you can see, Mavit is here. Mavit is IIT Hyderabad student. He is our old student. He is currently in IIT Hyderabad, okay, IIT Hyderabad. So you can easily see that everything is properly mentioned, sir, okay. People will get good knowledge. So that's what we are saying, that this schedule we have designed very carefully, so that you get enough time to understand the concepts, to practice the concepts, okay. So basically you should not feel very, I can say, hectic, or you should not feel, I can say, burden, okay. You should have enough time to revise also. So that is the reason this schedule is planned in such a way, okay. And remember, in the artificial intelligence, these two topics, propositional logic, first order logic, these we will teach in the beginning, okay. In the beginning, basically in the month of March, April, okay, we will teach in the beginning, okay. These are easy topics, okay, and very interesting topics. And two questions came in the Gate D exam in 2024. So these topics we will cover in the March itself. In the March, these topics will be done. So the remaining topics of artificial intelligence we will teach when we come to the month of October, okay.
Yes, right. Okay, so I hope this schedule everyone is liking. Now let's just see this slide, which is saying that how to follow the course. So basically, we want you to follow the schedule. We want you to be in the sync. Okay, whatever we are teaching, we want that you are also in the sync with that. So try to be in the sync. I mean, there might be the days that you are not able to see the live session. Okay, or maybe you are not able to see the recorder session. But that's okay. Just try to cover your backlogs as soon as possible and try to be in sync with us. Why this sync is necessary? Because if you are in the sync, then you can attempt weekly quizzes comfortably. You can be the part of the discussion that is going on in the group, right? So in the group, mostly people will be discussing whatever we are currently teaching. So that's why it is better that if you're in sync, then you will be the part of the discussion. You can attempt weekly quizzes in the sync also. And it is also very good habit to be in the sync, so that you are sure that okay, by the end of our syllabus completion, which means by the end of 15th of November, you will be also completing the syllabus. So just try to be in the sync. It also motivates you. It also feel good that okay, you are in the sync. I mean, you are worry free, you are in the sync. So it also feel good factor. And watch for that, you need to watch lectures daily, solve the homework, see the text or video solution whichever we are providing, attempt weekly quizzes, analyze and improve, and discuss doubts in the Telegram group or in the live session. Okay. So this thing we have already discussed, that I mean, from where, what are the resources to do the practice. So there are many resources from which you can do the practice. And this is what we are saying, that we are promising you that you will be getting more than enough question to practice, such that you are able to crack gate DA under 100 rank. Now let us tell you few things, that okay, if you want to join the live class, then how to join the live class, right? So you can join the live class using the app. So there are mobile app, which means we have Android app, we have iOS app also. You just need to search Go Classes on Play Store or on the App Store, which is iOS store. You just need to search Go Classes, and then you will be getting our app. So you will be getting notification on the app. You will be getting I mean, if you want to join the live class, then you will be getting to join the live classes using the website. So either you can join the live classes using the website or using our app, or if you want, you can also directly join with the link we provide in the Telegram private group. Okay, in the announcement group we will providing the link, and you can join the live session using that particular link. So there are multiple ways. Okay, most of the people prefer this way. So either you prefer this way or this way, anything is fine. Okay, most of the people directly click on the link that we share in the private Telegram announcement group, and then they join using that link. There will be the Zoom link. So if you install the Zoom, then it is fine. Just like, I mean, you are most probably you are attending the session using that Zoom link, right? So just like you are attending the session, just like that there will be the classes, okay, in the same format. The only difference will be that either I will be there or Deepak will be there. I mean, we both might not be there for all the classes. So that's the only difference. Okay, so just install Android or iOS app and turn on the notification. So don't worry, we will not spam you. We will not, sending you the spam messages. So you just turn on the notification. The only notification we will be sending you about the live session, or if there is something important. Okay, the only notification that we will be pushing, that any important or the live sessions. For example, I mean, this is a screenshot of, I think, last year. So this is a computer science subject, which is theory of computation. So this is a mobile screenshot that you will be getting app notification like this. Okay, on the mobile you will be getting app notification like this. This is the mobile screenshot.
So you can see if we add something new, for example, if we are adding homework, weekly quiz, if we are adding something new, then you can see this type of notification will come. You can see updated, one item added, two item added, three item added, something like that. Okay, you can see the name of the course also. So from the notification, you will get to know, okay, in this course, in this particular course, these three items have been added. Okay, so you can check it out. You can see whenever we start the live class, you can see live class has started. Okay, there is another notification. You can see this notification will come on the top. You can see that live class has started. Okay, so this will tell you that the live class has started. You can join. Okay, so basically the app notification you can turn on. Okay, download and install the Go Classes app from the Android, for the Android, okay, or for the iOS. Okay, we have both the app, Android app, also iOS app. You can search Go Classes in the Play Store or App Store. Okay, just go to the Play Store or go to the App Store, search Go Classes. Okay, and you can install the Go Classes app.
Right. Or you can join from the website. Okay, if you want, you can join from the website. You just go to this my courses, okay, over the website, and there, if there is a live session coming in, then it will show that, okay, one live class is coming in. Okay, this is a screenshot again from discrete mathematics, which is computer science course. But for example, if you want to if there is a machine learning or there is engineering mathematics, linear algebra, some course, then course name will be here. Okay, and it will show that, okay, one live class is coming, something like this. And then if you go inside that particular course, then it will show that, okay, it is the live class is about to come in these many hours, for example 2 hour 4 minutes. Okay.
See, actually, at the yeah. So you can see here. You can see here, whenever the live class will be scheduled, it will show like this: upcoming live class. Okay. So basically, you can join it from the website. Also, you can join from the app. Also, you can join from the private Telegram group, announcement group. Remember, okay, private Gate DA announcement group for enrolled students on the Telegram. In that group, also, we will share the link.
Right. Okay, so if you're not in the group, then please mail us and we will add you to the group. Okay, if you're not in the group, just mail us to join.
See, some students are asking what will be the timing of the live sessions. It will be in the evening. Every live session will be in the evening. Okay. The timing of the live session, let me tell you, that will be in the evening, 7:30 p.m. or 7 p.m., 8 p.m., depending, in the summer, in the winter. Okay. So basically, slightly it can change. Okay. But it will always be in the evening. Okay. Most of the time, for example, in the next few days, it will be 7:30 p.m. and it will be, I think, okay, so it will be like 2 hour session. Okay, so it can be more or less 2 hour session, it will be there. So you can see 7:30 p.m., that 7:30 p.m., that onwards, that is the timing. Okay, all the live sessions will be in the evening only.
Right. And if there is any change, then we will tell you in the group. Okay. If there is any change in the time, then we will tell in the group.
A student, actually, this doubt is coming, Sachin, so let's address this doubt. A student is asking, recordings or the live sessions will be released per day, or they are already there, means we have to refer which are already there. So we will basically, you have joined the Gate DA course, right? In the Gate DA package, already all the subjects are there. But what we will do, we will release the lectures one by one. Okay, so don't worry, like you don't have to watch the lectures which are already available, because remember, there will be new live sessions in between. Okay, in between there will be new live sessions. So for example, maybe, so that is the reason, so you should not have any confusion. That is the reason we will release the lectures one by one. Okay, so in a sequence we will release the lectures, so don't worry. Okay, today we are going to, I can say, we are going to adjust all these things. So today you will see that, like, we are starting the linear algebra, right? We are starting engineering mathematics first. Okay, so in the engineering mathematics, you just have to follow the sequence one by one. All the lectures will be available to you. Okay.
Right. So someone is asking, sir, will there be a new folders for 2025 course? Yes, I mean there is no old folder. I mean we will be having a completely new course for every of the course. For example, linear algebra will be a separate folder, probability will be a separate folder, like that, right? So there will be a different folder for each subject, and we will be releasing the lectures one by one. Okay, for doubt resolution, as we have told you that you can ask on the Telegram, you can privately message me or Deepak, or you can ask. Best way to ask your doubt is to ask in the Telegram group, and you can ask on the Gate of Flow website, and there are many other channels using which you can ask your doubts, right? Okay, so if you're not in the Telegram group, then just mail us at this particular email ID, which is contact@goclasses.in, and then we will add you to the Telegram group. So, for
A
example,
student,
yeah.
Sachin, a student is asking, won't we have lecture schedule, like per day lecture schedule, like we have done in the Gate CSE 2025? So let me tell you that Gate CSE 2025, that is recorded course. The entire course is recorded. Okay. The live sessions are only for the practice and doubts. But in Gate DA, the course, the content will be taught live. Okay. As we have already told you, 70%, or I can say more than 70%, content, course concepts we will teach live. Okay, so there is no need for the per day schedule. Okay, just follow the schedule. Okay, just follow every day. Okay, just keep following, because remember, I can say, we are going to teach you the concepts, the subjects, the content, everything we are going to teach you live.
Right. And this is a screenshot of private Telegram group. Okay, so here, for example, someone has shared his own notes. I have actually referred these notes, and these notes are very nice. I mean, these are not the complete notes. These are, I think, only for first few lectures. But these notes he has written very nicely. So in the group, people keep on sharing their own things, right? So for example, for this orientation session, I have shared something like this. So just join this group. If you are not in this group, then just mail us. We will add you to the group. Okay. Yeah. So in the private Telegram group, there are basically three private Telegram groups. One is to discuss your technical doubts, which is I have just shown you, which is this one, Go Classes Gate DA private Telegram group. Another one will be announcement group, where we will be just sharing, the important information. If there is a change in the timing of the session, if there is a Zoom link, or there is any important announcement, we will make in this announcement group. Okay. Alumni group for the motivation. So there's another group, if you want to, if you are feeling demotivated and you want to discuss, let's suppose, to some alumni, just tag that particular alumni, and that particular alumni will be most probably replying. So for the motivation, for the chit chat, you can use this group. Okay. So this is announcement group. As you can see, this is announcement group, and here we will be putting important announcements. For example, if there's some announcement Deepak has put, or there's some Zoom link that Deepak has put, and there is some message that I wanted to put, so something like that. In that particular group, you will not be able to type, because that's not required. So you will not be able to type. Only the admins, which are me, Deepak, or any other Go Classes team member, they will be able to type. This is alumni group, and you can see that alumni group, these are the chit chats that these are happening. So yeah, this particular student is our alumni. He is Shubhadeep, and I think he is currently at IIT Madras.
He is our previous year topper, and you can see in the alumni group, you can see a student is asking Priyank. A student Priyank is asking some doubt, and you can see this is the reply of Subhodeep. So basically, there is a community. Okay, you can approach to them for guidance, for motivation, for mentorship, and of course, we are also there. I and Sachin, we both are there. Okay, and the Gate Overflow founder member, Arjun Suresh sir, they are also there. Okay, so basically it's a very nice community that we have created, alumni group of Go Classes.
Right. Here you can definitely have chit chat. As you can see that people are having the laugh emoji or something like that. So you can discuss with the alumni, okay, or with your batchmates. So you can just any kind of chit chat you want to do, you can do it here, but don't do it in the main group, because that is only, or okay, the purpose of the private Telegram group is only for the technical discussion. So just keep it for the technical discussion, and if you want to have chit chat, just you do it in the alumni group.
If you want to get added to any of these groups, these three private groups, if you want to get added to any of these groups, or I can say to all these groups, then please send mail to us. Okay, mail us. Okay, because only enrolled students will be added to these groups. Okay, if you want to get added, then please send mail to us. Okay, only for enrolled students, these three groups. Okay, so join these three groups, and most of the time you are going to use the first two groups. Okay, one is for doubt discussions, and another is for announcement. Okay, the third group, that is, as we already told you, that is more like chit chat group. Okay, or guidance group. Okay, it is like a mentorship group. Okay, if you want to talk to the previous year toppers who are right now in top colleges, if you want to talk to them, then for that purpose this group we have created. Okay, so these groups you can join by sending a mail to us.
Right. Okay. And if you have not downloaded our app, then just download our app by searching on the Play Store or on the App Store. Okay. Just search Go Classes on Play Store, App Store, and just download our app. So you can just download the app using this particular link also. Okay. Just go here and you can download our app from here also.
The best way is just search Go Classes. Okay, it will help us in the search engine optimization also. Okay, so
Right.
just go to the Play Store, just go to the App Store, and please search Go classes. Okay, it will come, don't worry. Just search Go classes. You already have seen the logo. This is the logo. So this logo will come. Okay, and there are, I think, more than 5,000, and it is about to become 10,000. Okay, very soon it will become 10,000 downloads. So just download and install the Go classes app by searching Go classes on the Play Store, App Store. Okay, so it will help us, maybe in the optimization, maybe something SEO, something is there. Maybe I don't know whether it will help or not, but I think it may help.
Right, right. So just search on the Play Store or App Store and just download the app. Okay. Most of you people might have downloaded, but still, if you have not downloaded, then you can do it. Okay. And about the notes making, many of our students ask that should we make our notes or not. So we suggest that you prepare your own notes and also share your notes with us. Okay. If you share your notes with us, we will share them with everyone, so that all of the people will get benefited. For example, let's suppose you are this, and you are sharing, let's suppose, one subject notes. For example, you are preparing linear algebra notes, and you are sharing these linear algebra notes with everyone. Okay, and I mean, you just share with us, and we will upload in the course, and which means we are indirectly sharing with us, or I mean directly sharing this particular notes with everyone. Then you just need to prepare linear algebra notes, and for example, there is any other person who is preparing probability notes. Then that person too, okay, that person too, if that person is preparing probability notes, then that person too will be sharing with us, and we will share with all of you. Then automatically you will be getting the subject notes for all the subjects. So that's why we are saying that we suggest you to share your handwritten notes with us, and we will share with all. Okay, it is beneficial for all of the people. And also whenever you are studying any subject, just take copy and pen. Don't watch any of the lecture just like a movie. Okay, just take copy and pen and watch the lecture sincerely. Even though you don't want to take the notes, still take copy and pen, because if there is a question that is in the lecture, then you can solve with us. Okay, so just always take copy and pen whenever you are watching the lectures. Okay, so someone is asking, will there be both Go and Go classes test series? Can you just estimate on how many test series will be there for Gate DA? We have not talked to Arjun sir. We have not asked him whether Gate or Flow is planning to launch or not. But yeah, Go classes will be having the test series. Okay, so there will be a test series for Go classes, but for the Gate or Flow, we will just confirm you soon. Okay.
So the test series, for test series, we will create a new session, a separate session just to discuss the test series. Don't worry about it. When we launch the test series, we will discuss it in a separate session. Do not worry about it right now.
Right. Okay. For the test series, as we have told you that there will be a test series, we will discuss in new session.
But remember, weekly quizzes are there. They are already there. They are starting, I can say, from the first week itself. Okay. So those weekly quizzes are for you right now. And when we launch the test series, then the test series also you can basically enroll and you can start. But right now, weekly quizzes are already there. Every week we are going to launch one weekly quiz. Okay.
Right. Okay, and let us just also tell you that if you want, you can refer your friends. Okay, for example, you just go to your own profile on the Go classes, and there you will be seeing become a partner button. On the left side, on the left bottom side, you will be seeing a become a partner button. And then once you click on this button, one of the code will get generated. It will generate a code. Okay, one of the code will get generated, and this code will be typically of 6 letters. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. For example, this code is, let's suppose, this is a randomly generated code. For example, it could be something S. Let's suppose this is ST3 5. Okay, NG, something like that.
It is
Okay.
unique for you.
Yeah.
Remember, it is unique for you. Okay. So basically, this unique code you will get when you click on this become a partner button. Okay. After clicking this code you are going to get. Remember one thing, this code is deactivated by default. By default, it is not activated. Okay. If you want to get it activated, if you want to refer some student, if you want to refer your friend, if you want to refer anyone for Go classes complete course, either gate CSE complete course or gate DA complete course or combined course. So for any complete course on Go classes, if you want to refer your friend, if you want to refer anyone, then please get it activated. Okay, so basically click this become a partner. This button is there. Click on this button. You will get this 6 letter code you will get. Then please send a mail to us to get it activated. Okay, because remember, these codes will be activated only for the enrolled student. Okay, these code anyone can get. Okay, anyone who sign up on the Go classes website will get this code, unique code for everyone, but this code will not be activated. Okay, so first what you do, you send a mail to us to get it activated. If you are enrolled student, Go classes enrolled student, then this code will be activated. Then you can share this code with anyone. Okay, then the student who is using this code will get some discount, and you will get some cashback in your account. Okay, you can basically redeem that cashback in your bank account also. For that you have to send a mail to us. We will share all the details in the mail. Okay, so remember, you will, when you share your this is very simple, you already know, in the Swiggy, Zomato, in every app nowadays, I think every company, every app, every organization has this refer and earn facility, so you are already aware of it. Okay, so I don't think we need to tell you more. So very simple, if you want to redeem your cashback, then for that you have to send a mail to us. We will tell you. Okay, we will guide you. Also, if you to get it activated, that is the important part. To get it activated, please send a mail to us. And one more thing I want to tell you, you don't have to keep sharing this. Okay, in the private sorry, in the Telegram groups, you are keep sharing this. No, don't do that. Don't waste your time, because your ultimate purpose is to crack the gate exam. Okay, next year gate D exam you want to crack. That is the ultimate prize, that is the ultimate goal. So the best way, let me tell you, that is, put your honest review on Quora. Okay, on Quora, if there is a question, let's assume related to Gate DA course, okay, related to Go classes, or related to basically anything related to Gate 2025. So if there is a question, if there is a relevant question, under that question, you can write your honest review about the Go classes course. Okay, you can share your experience. Okay, you can share the pros and cons of our course, and at the end, you can put your code. Okay, at the end of the Quora article, you can put your code. So any student who is searching for, I can say, who is searching for a coaching institute for Gate DA, okay, who is searching for Go classes, they will come to your answer, they will use your code, and that is a one time investment. Basically, it's like a one time thing. You are not wasting your time. Okay, just one time write your honest review on the Quora, put your code at the end. Okay, and that's it. Then you don't have to waste your time again. Okay, then just study for 1 year. Just keep studying. That is the ultimate thing that you need to do, remember. Okay, so these refer and earn, these are done by every organization nowadays, you are already aware. But we are suggesting you what are the best way to not waste your time, also to get the, I can say, maybe highest reach. If you want to get highest reach, then Quora is the best platform to do that. Okay, and so just focus on your target, that is your Gate D exam, that is your target. Just focus on your learning studies.
Yes. So like that you can share. So for example, if there is some relevant question that, for example, which coaching is best, then write your own. I mean, honest review. Okay. I'm or I or Deepak are not saying that you just fake the review or something like that. Write your honest review, and at the end you write a code that if you want to join the coaching, then you can use this code. Okay. This way, let us just tell you that many of the people have earned even what they have paid to Go classes. For example, they have paid, let's suppose, 20,000 to Go classes, then they have earned more than 20,000. So this is the best way. This is a one time investment. Okay, one time. This is a one time investment, and you can just earn keep on earning, basically. Okay, this is just a one time investment in the on the Quora, just 1 or 2 hour of the work. And with the Chat GPT, now you can articulate your words, so you don't have to put a lot of effort. As a Gate DO student, you can definitely use Chat GPT. You must be using already with your semester midterm assignments and any other things, right? So just write your own review. You can make it articulated using the Chat GPT, or if you want, you can directly write, and then just write your code at the end. Okay.
Actually, this is just my opinion that most effective answer if someone is reading, and most effective answer if you write it in your own words. Okay, because Chat GPT will give you very sophisticated, I can say very sophisticated answer. So reading that will give a, I can say will not give that feeling to the reader. Okay, like particularly to me, like if I read something very sophisticated, most probably I am going to think that it is fake. Okay, whenever I see something
Right.
very sophisticated, because if you are giving your honest review, then it will be in your own words. Okay, I will feel more connected to you. What are you trying to tell? Okay, what are you trying to convey? I will feel more connected with you if you write it in your own words. That is the best way. Okay, anyway, so like it is your choice, like what to do.
Yes, so write in your own words. I'm just saying that I also prefer writing in my own words. But I'm just saying that on the Chat GPT, what you can do. Let's suppose this is a Chat GPT. Then just say over the Chat GPT that correct English grammar. Okay, correct
Yes.
English grammar, and then after that just paste your own. Okay, your own words. Okay, paste your own words, and it will give you the it will not rephrase it. Okay, it will not rephrase it. It will give you the corrected English grammar version. For example, if I'm if somewhere by mistake if I'm writing I is, then it will automatically make it I am. Okay, so it will correct the English grammar. For that we are just suggesting the Chat GPT. Okay, because as Deepak pointed out, if you are using Chat GPT, then it will give you the typical sophisticated answer, which will not be appealing, like which will be just like another repeated answer. So don't do it. Write your own feedback, write in your own words. Just you may use this Chat GPT. Okay, you may use this Chat GPT to make the English grammar corrected. Okay, so we have already discussed that how to best use of Go classes. Let us just summarize that. The first thing is that we are expecting you to be consistent. Okay, was the live lectures on the time? If you're not attending live, that is fine. You can attend it later on in the recording fashion, but on the time. So be consistent with the live lectures. Be consistent with the weekly quiz, and also solve homework in the time. Attempt weekly quiz in the time. Give the regular feedback to us, because if you give the feedback to us, then we will be able to know that okay, what are the changes that we need to make, right? So that's why just give regular feedback to us also. Okay, so this is our expectation. I hope that this is the minimal expectation. You think I mean this is too much of no, too much for a coaching class to expect? I think this is our minimal expectation. If you do this, okay, if you are consistent, if you're solving homework in time, if you're attempting weekly quiz in time, and so on, then we are making sure that you will get top gate rank. Okay, top gate DA rank. So let us just tell you what is going to be the per day schedule of the very first week. Okay, for the very first week, we are going to have the fundamental. So that's why let us just tell you that what are the lectures that you need to watch in the fundamental, because the fundamental course we will be providing in the recorded session. So this is the lecture number, and we will be creating one particular folder of engineering mathematics or linear algebra. There we will be putting all of these lectures, so you can watch all of these lectures as per these dates. So for example, for 1st of March, you just watch these two lectures. We will be uploading by today, these lectures by today. And on the 2nd of March, you watch these lectures. 3rd of March, you watch these lectures. And on 4th of March, we will be having one live session. Having any doubt or any practice session, I mean, practice is already there in the lectures and the homework question, but still more practice question we will be having in the live session. So that will be on the 4th of March. Okay, by this 4th of March, just complete this. And from 5th of March, we will be starting our linear algebra. Okay, linear algebra will get started from 5th of March. Hope that is okay to everyone.
Just
Okay.
keep following the schedule. Okay, just keep following for 1 year. Remember, 1 year is not a too much long time, because I have seen, there are some exams, UPSC exam. In that exam, many students, they spend 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, to change their life. But remember, gate exam is just, I can say, 1 year preparation. If you do it consistently, if you put your best efforts in, within 1 year, you can change your entire life. Okay, let me tell you, financially also, in a, you can go to a reputed college. Okay, so it will give you, I can say, social reputation also. So that's what I'm telling you, that you can change your entire life. Okay, if you prepare for 1 year nicely, if you stay consistent, if you put your best efforts. Okay, let me quickly answer some of the doubts which I can see here. A student is asking, what will be the live session duration every day? So the live session duration will be around 2 hours. Okay. It will be around 2 hours every day. So it can be more or less. Remember, sometimes maybe it can go maybe 2.5 hour. Okay. Sometimes it can be 1.5 hour, but it will be mostly, it will be around 2 hours. Okay. This live session every day, it will be around 2 hours. Then a student is asking that who will teach AI? Sachin sir or Deepak sir? I will teach AI. Okay. The artificial intelligence I will teach. As I told you, that proposition logic, predicate logic, that I will teach in the March itself. Okay. Those lectures will be available in the March itself. Okay. The remaining AI we will teach according to the schedule. Okay. Yes. Sachin.
Yeah. Okay. So let us just continue with a few more slides. I think we have covered all the things. Just one FAQ that I want to cover again, although we have covered that, few people are asking that the extra topics that we have in linear algebra, probability, calculus, will they be covered? Obviously, they will be covered, right? Obviously, all of these topics will be covered. That too in very great depth. So this is the most common doubt that I have received so far. In fact, I have received this doubt just before this orientation. Okay, today itself I have received this doubt just before this orientation at 7:49 p.m. Someone was asking, "Hi sir, hope you are doing good. I'm planning to take your course, but in one of the videos on the YouTube, you said that if a topic was already taught in Gate CS, you will be uploading the same video in Gate DA course as well. But unlike CS in DA, we need to map each mathematical topic to ML. So it will be great if you can teach all the math subject again in Gate DA by emphasizing each topic. So importance, please correct me. Okay, so basically, he's thinking. Okay, that particular person is thinking that we are going to upload Gates CSE linear algebra and that's it. It's not obviously true, because Gate DA has much more depth of the mathematics, and that's why we are giving 3 months to that, right? And if we are uploading some session, let's suppose we are uploading some recorded session as it is, okay, then obviously we will be having the live session for that, for more practice. And if you are also having the confusion that whether these mathematical topic will be mapped to machine learning or not, then definitely that is why we have the machine learning course, right? For example, let me take one quick example. For example, linear regression. This is one topic in machine learning. Now, you will be studying something called as normal distribution. Normal distribution in probability, right? Normal distribution in probability is closely related to the linear regression. I mean, whenever we are studying linear regression, you will get to know the importance of normal distribution. Okay, and there are many other topics. For example, the system of linear equation, right? That we study system of linear equation, that we study in linear algebra, that is also closely related to linear regression. So there are many topics, differentiation or optimization, these are also related to linear regression. So small topics, all the small topics that we are going to study in linear algebra, probability or calculus, those all of those topics will definitely be mapping or definitely be useful to your machine learning topics. So I hope this is clear to everyone that we are going to teach all the topics of Gate DA. We are not going to leave any stone unturned. We will teach every topic in very great detail. And also whenever we are teaching machine learning, we will tell you the importance of each and every topic that we have already studied, right? That how these topics are useful in machine learning. And let's just quickly read this particular sentence, what he's saying. And I have watched your random variables video on YouTube to judge if I can take your course. Okay, let's just see what he's saying. After watching the video, I see no point in not taking the course. So he's saying that he has watched our random variable video. So you might have heard about this topic, random variable, right? So random variable is very nice topic, and this is actually very nice to teach also. So why these are called random? Okay, and what is random about it? What is a variable? So this is very nice topic. We have taught this topic very nicely. It is also one of my favorite topic in probability theory. So he's saying, thank you for being such a great teacher, sir. Thank you. Like I have already replied to him. Basically, I have said thanks to him. So whatever I have heard of Go classes and your teaching is absolutely evident in that video. So no, thank you so much for this feedback. So let us just see that. Okay, so this is my reply. And now, after I replied that okay, every topic will be taught in very great detail. He's saying grades are enrolling for the course right away. Okay, so he was so excited to enroll. I hope that I will be meeting him in the next live session very soon. So anyway, this is one of the doubt that people are getting, that whatever the extra topics, will are you going to cover this topic? Definitely, definitely we will cover those, all of those topics, right? Okay. So this is something that we wanted to share today. Just another another time we are telling you that if you have not subscribed to Gate DA channel, then please do it, because this is a dedicated channel for Gate DA, and all the updates related to Gate DA will happen here. Just search this on the YouTube. Go classes for Gate DA. Okay, search this on the YouTube.
Yes, please search it on the YouTube, okay, and then subscribe. Okay, so again, as I told you, it will
Mhm.
help us in SEO, search engine optimization, or maybe if you search it, then you subscribe, it will help us also. Okay, so please do that. So, yes,
Right.
Sachin.
Right. So I think we have covered everything, and thank you everyone. Excited for this new journey. Thank you so much. So let's just
So,
take few doubts. Yes, please.
yes, let me take some doubts. A student is asking that by when our course content will be restructured properly and ready to start. It will be done tonight. Okay, so don't worry. It will be done tonight, or before tomorrow. Basically, it will be done. Okay, so do not worry, Samir. Do not worry. Okay, like tomorrow you will see the difference in your Gate DA package. Okay, a student is asking, what about the statistics part? Will those be taught? Yes, everything will be taught. See,
Yes.
everything will be taught. Okay, this is Gate DA complete course. Everything which is in the syllabus will be taught. Some extra things can be taught. Everything which is in the syllabus, which is part of the syllabus, will be taught very nicely in depth, with a lot of practice, with a lot of variations. So please don't get this doubt.
Yeah.
Whatever is in the syllabus, everything will be taught. Okay. So Anjali is asking, where can we get the schedule? We will get the schedule. See, as we are again telling you that sessions are live. Okay, we are having mostly live sessions. Okay, live session, almost 70% content is live and 30% content is recorded. Anjali, you just have to follow the course. Okay, by tomorrow, you will see that in your Gate DA package, just go to the engineering mathematics. There, you will find only, I can say, only 1 2 lectures you will find. Okay, tomorrow, don't worry, tomorrow just go to your Gate DA package, go to the engineering mathematics. Tomorrow you will not find all the lectures, you will just find 1 or 2 lectures. It will tell you that just follow this sequence. Okay, you just have to follow that sequence. Okay, a student is asking, please discuss about book resources to follow. That we will do in every course. Okay, like when we teach you machine learning, when the machine learning course will start, we will tell you about the books to follow for machine learning. Similarly, when we teach you, let's assume, DBMS, then we will tell you which books to follow for DBMS. So that will happen when we start any course. Okay,
Right.
so a student is asking, if someone has enrolled for Gate DA plus Gate CSE, then uh, basically, how to the live sessions. See, yes, the live sessions, in that case, uh, remember, every live session is recorded. Let's assume that in the Gate DA, Sachin sir is taking some live session. Okay, on the same day, let's assume in Gate CSE I am taking some live session. Then of course, one session you will miss, you will not be able to join live, but the recording will be available. Okay, the recording is going to be available, so don't worry. Okay, so remember, from our point of view, Gate CSE is a different, okay, Gate DA is different. If you have taken Gate CSE plus DA combined course, if you are preparing for both of them, then you have to make some adjustments, some management you have to do. Okay, as I told you, if there are two live sessions, one live session in the Gate DA, one live session in the Gate CSE, if two live sessions are there, then one session you have to watch in the recorded format. Okay, because remember, as I told you, from our point of view, there is a Gate DA course that is separate, and there is a Gate CSE course that is separate. Our focus is on both of them, is on all the students. Okay, so you just have to adjust your, I can say, you just have to make some management.
Right, and also like see, if you have seen Gate CSE, the schedule, then we already made sure that the subject which are overlapping are overlapping in the month also. Which means if we are teaching linear algebra in the Gate D in the month of March, then we are teaching the same particular topic in the month of March in the Gate CSE also. So if there is a common topic, that particular common topic we will be taking. Okay, just a one session. For example, if linear algebra some common topic is there, some common practice is there, then obviously the Gate CSE and Gate DA both the students can attend that session. But if there is a session which is very much particular to Gate DA and linear algebra, which is not required for Gate CSE, then it will not be involved in the Gate CSE. So most of the schedule is already overlapping, which means if we are teaching database and management in the month of June here, then the same topic we are teaching in the Gate CSE, so that you don't have to manage too many of subjects in just 1 month. Okay, so we have already taken care of these things.
Yes, all these things are already very carefully planned. Again, I'm telling you, all these things we have very carefully planned, the syllabus, the schedule of Gate CSE, the schedule of Gate DA. Okay, basically all the things we have kept in our mind. Okay, just if you just compare, you will automatically you will find all these things. Okay, so everything is very carefully planned. Don't worry. Okay,
Right.
so I think we have taken most of the doubts, and we will keep
Yes.
taking, see, we will keep taking your doubts on the Telegram group, on the private Telegram group. Okay, there will be monthly guidance sessions. Okay, so there will be, as I told you, there will be monthly chit chat sessions will be there. So there also you can ask your doubts. Okay, I think for now I think we have covered everything, like how to follow this course, how to make best use of this course. Okay, all these things we have, I think we have covered. Okay, all the small doubts that are remaining you can ask in the private Telegram group, or just wait. Okay, see, I'm suggesting you to just wait. Okay, just follow the course for 1 week, automatically you will get in the flow. Most of your doubts will automatically get resolved. It will be like you have become the part of the family. Okay, right now you are just, I can say, you have many doubts, many a lot of curious questions you have, but once you follow for 1 week, then you will be answering these doubts. If some other student is asking,
Right.
okay, yes, that will happen, you will become the part of the family, you will become part of the community. Then if some other student is asking some doubt, then you will be answering that doubt. So I'm just telling you, just follow the sequence, just follow the course for 1 week. Okay, within 1 week you will see the difference. Okay, because we will be starting with the fundamental course, very basic fundamental concepts that you will use throughout the course, those we will study first. Okay, so just get started. Okay, within 1 week you will feel the difference, you will see why Go Classes is so popular for its quality. Okay, so basically you will see why Go Classes is growing, and because of quality learning. So that you will see. Okay, so I hope you will get, I can say, you will have a very great experience in Go Classes for the next 1 year. And we hope to have communication with you, conversation with you, many discussions with you, questions, technical, non-technical discussions. Okay, so for 1 year we are going to be with you, we are going to have active participation with you. Okay, and so let's top the gate exam next year, let's top the gate D exam next year.
Yeah. So thank you everyone for joining in, and thanks for trusting Go Classes. We will definitely make sure that if you follow the course, then you are getting top rank. Okay. So just follow the course, weekly quiz and everything, and you will see the difference, as Deepak said, in just 1 week.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
So we
thank
are
you
very
everyone.
excited. Thank you everyone.